My colleague Sam Daniel joins us live. Sam, quite an exciting day, but also quite a crowd showed up for MK Stallin's roadshow. This as we're still amid a pandemic. Give us a sense of the atmosphere on the ground.
That's right, Parameshwar. In that sense, meetings like this actually spread panic. Also worry that this could actually trigger COVID cases in Chennai. We come to you from Kolattur, where sometime back MK Stalin had filed his nomination. As we speak now, he's on his way to Thiruvarur to launch the DMK's campaign from his late father, Karunanidhi's home turf. And with me, a few DMK workers. He is contesting for the third time in Kolattur. அவருடைய வெற்றி வாய்ப்பு எப்படி இருக்கு?
கொளத்தூரில் அமோக வெற்றி வாய்ப்பை எங்கள் தளபதி அவர்கள் நிச்சயமாக வெற்றி பெறுவார் என்று நம்பிக்கையோடு மக்களின் கருத்து எங்களுடைய
The DMK workers, she says prospects are bright for MK Stalin. DMK has made many promises. Are these implementable? இந்த வாக்குறுதிகள் எல்லாம் நிறைவேற்ற முடியுமா?
கண்டிப்பாக எங்கள் தளபதி அவர்கள் நிறைவேற்றுவார். எல்லாவற்றிலும் சொல்வதை செய்வார், செய்வதை சொல்வார் எங்கள் தளபதி அவர்கள்.
She says all these are implementable. The party will definitely implement, and she says DMK is known for telling something which they will do and they will stick to their promises. Don't you think instead of offering these freebies, the party should be actually creating more jobs, giving quality education? இந்த மாதிரி இலவசங்களை கொடுக்கிறதுக்கு பதிலா தரமான கல்வி, வேலை வாய்ப்புகளை உருவாக்கணும்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
கண்டிப்பாக நிச்சயமாக எங்கள் தளபதி அவர்கள் வேலை வாய்ப்புகளாக ஆகட்டும், பிள்ளைகளின் படிப்பு சம்பந்தமாக, கல்வி சம்பந்தமான எல்லா பிரச்சனைகளையும் அவர் தீர்த்து வைப்பார் என்பதை மக்கள் நம்புகிறோம்.
Party will do that also, she says. Lastly, DMK's promises, among the 500 promises, what is that you like? உங்களுக்கு என்ன பிடிச்சிருக்கு?
எங்களுக்கு இப்போ பென்ஷன்தாரர்கள் பென்ஷன் இல்லாமல் இருக்காங்க சார். அந்த பென்ஷன் இல்லாமல் ரொம்பவே கஷ்டப்படுறாங்க அரசாங்க ஊழியர்கள். அதை எங்கள் தளபதி பென்ஷன், பழைய பென்ஷனை வரவேற்கத்தக்கதாக உள்ளது. அதை நாங்கள் வரவேற்கிறோம்.
She says that the DMK has promised to get back to the old pension system. That's something she says she likes and her family looks forward to that. At the same time, AIADMK Deputy Coordinator and Chief Minister EPS would also be filing his nomination from his Edappadi constituency. From he's trying for a fifth term, Parameshwar, and the AIADMK has promised concessional tariff for women in local buses, 6 free LPG cylinders every year, waiver of student loans, and also 2 GB data cards for all students studying in government schools and colleges across the state. And at the same time, M&M chief actor Kamal Haasan too would be filing his nomination from Coimbatore South, where he would lock horns with BJP's Vanadi Srinivasan. The M&M promises corruption-free government and also developing villages, besides creating 50 lakh jobs in 5 years and many such promises. Also down south, AMMK chief TTV Dinakaran, who has struck an alliance with actor Vijaykanth's DMDK, would be filing his nomination to contest elections from Kovilpatti constituency. So a big busy day, and the next few weeks will be extremely crucial as stakes are very high in Tamil Nadu, with the ruling AIADMK trying for a third term, the DMK out of power for 10 years trying to capture power, and M&M chief and a few other players too hoping that they'll be able to make a dent in Tamil Nadu politics now that there are no iconic leaders including Jayalalitha and Karunanidhi. Parameshwar.